I'm on my way to find a cool stick. This should be a tiny gun, I guess. Oh no, it's curved. I don't think it works. Our neighbors do pick up sticks here, so we might not have the best stick selection. Is that attached? Oh, darn it. I want to see what it would look like. Lots of sticks. My old tree fort. This could be a gun, but I mean, it's from my old tree fort, so I don't think it counts. Bazooka, also from my old tree fort, so. Okay, maybe like this. Maybe this one. That looks like a staff. I think this one's our best bet before the video gets too long for a short. Maybe this one. Okay, now this. Hold on, I'm gonna do this. This is a sword. There's no way this isn't a sword. Okay, I think this sword is what we're gonna have to go with. Wait. This one right here. This one. I don't even know what it looks like yet. Okay. I don't know what this looks like, but it's pretty cool, and I think this is the epic stick. Okay, that's what I'm going with. Okay, comment down below what the best stick was.